So we will do the best we can, the only way Jamaicans can. Stronger together, making Jamaica better. Jah love this land. From the streets down to the sun, and with Jah love we can. We will be better, whether in any weather. Let's bring back a time of harmony, of peace and love you see, in our community and in our family. No way, no better, let's make it safer. We the youth them coming up to make the paper. Maximize on creativity, you know that our legacy. We open up the doors and hide the gate for opportunity. Believe in a job plan, you have to overstand. A Jah put the key in our hand. Yeah, Jah love this land. So we will do the best we can, the only way Jamaicans can. Stronger together, making Jamaica better. Jah love this land. From the streets down to the sun, yeah. And with Jah love we can. We will be better, whether in any weather, yeah. Oh, 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 oh yeah, we're singing Jah love. We come together, things are nice and easy, but we strong together. Jamaica plays a beauty and we under prayer, so we no worry about a thing. Bob Marley said that for Jamaican people come together, things are nice and easy, but we strong together. Jamaica plays a beauty and we under prayer, so we no worry about a thing. Bob Marley said that Jah love this land. So we will do the best we can, the only way Jamaicans can. Stronger together, making Jamaica better. Jah love this land. From the streets down to the sun, and with Jah love we